little Mr. Brain. He is Ian Bisin, grade 2. He lives in Pahinga Norte, Candelaria, Quezon. His parents are Mr. George Zamora and Marlene Zamora. And now for our little Miss Bearer, she is Rose Angeline Yupangan. She is in grade 2 from Lagan. Miss Bearer.
A big round of applause for the little Mr. and Miss Bearer 2011. Wala ba kayo mga kamay?
Now, our little Miss Builder, she is Elena M. Mayer. She is 7 years old. She is in grade 1. She lives in Alday Street, Barangay Poblacion, Candelaria, Quezon. Her parents are Alexander A. Mayer and Edna M. Mayer. She is wearing a long white gown with flower embroidery design by Alan Mayer. Once again, our little Miss Builder. And now for our little Mr. Builder. He is Andre Castillo Malabanan. He is 9 years old and he is in grade 4. He lives in St. Paul's, SBPS, Candelaria, Quezon. His parents are Rico Malabanan and Daisy Malabanan. He is wearing a white barong designed by Kasuotan Boutique. Once again, our little Mr. Builder. Once again, our little Mr. and Miss Builder. A big round of applause.
Anak, isampay mo yung kanyang damit sa likod niya sa ano.